At 30-minute continuous bounce workouts, you'll need to adjust the firmness of your cords after about 125 classes. You'll need to check your cords at least every 3 to 6 months. To adjust the firmness of your cord, pull down on the side with 2 knots. Remove the notch from the space between the 2 knots and pull down so the notch hooks behind the second knot. If there's a thick to thin appearance in your cord, that indicates that it's overly stretched and needs to be replaced. To completely replace your cord, remove both sides from the notches and completely remove the used cord from the clip. To add the new cord, fold it in half and place the looped edge into the clip. Take both sides of the cord, pulling it over the rim of your trampoline, and hook the knots into the notches on either side of the clip. Check your silicone feet every 3 to 6 months. They should be free of holes, cracks, or scratches. To replace your silicone foot, remove the old one and pop the new one on. Clean your mat regularly with non-caustic cleaning wipes or warm water. Check your mat every 3 to 6 months, looking for tears, frays, or any ripping along the edge.
Our rebounders have arched legs, which are designed to be light but strong enough for high weight ratings. Keep the Allen wrench handy and tighten loose legs every few months.